Alright guys, so I'm going to be replacing these headlights for these. They're Spec-Ds. So, the different blocks, but they're pretty much in the style of the Spec-D. Halo LED projector headlights. So, next thing I'm going to be showing is going to show how to wire this up pretty much and do a comparison between that side and that side. Alright, I already did T-tab, so what you're supposed to do is with this wiring, there's two black wires, but from what I've seen, the middle wire is always going to be your power for your running light, which is, in this case, is black yellow, and your ground will also be black, in which in this case is black and blue from the looks of it. So now what I'm going to have to do is grab these, tie into these for the halos and the LEDs, crimp these together using this, and I'll be back as I'm going to do a test after I'm done with everything. And this is what it looks like. Well, it's not bolted down just yet. Don't have the headlights plugged in yet, but comparing that to this side where, wow, that looks good. I'm gonna do the outside, and I'm gonna do I'm gonna show it off afterwards. After product. I don't think I need to adjust the headlights. Pretty much perfect. Low beam, high beam. Which I don't really like that shuts up the low beam, but you'll be fine. Daytime running lights with the halos and the LEDs running. I'm kind of annoyed that two of these don't work, but oh well. So yeah, yep, these are my Halo LED projector headlights for my truck. And I think I may now find out why those two don't work. So, but anyway, thank you guys for watching. There, their true final product. The truck's not running, so daytime run lights are not on. Halos, LED, halos, LED. Thank you guys for watching.